Main objective of the WINEGROVER project is to decrease the environmental impact related to grape production by introducing novel technologies for precision agriculture and validate them in 2 vineyards in Italy and Spain. The critical environmental impacts of grape production come from the intense use of pesticides, from the very high variability of the number of fertilizers, and from energy consumption related to the application of fertilizers and pesticides and for irrigation. New technologies can help wine growers in the decision-making process to adapt their production mode in their vineyards using new devices like sensors, robots, and drones and digital techniques to monitor and optimize agriculture production processes. An innovative system for precision viticulture has been developed and tested in 2 pilot sites having different characteristics and in different conditions. The system consists in the integration several components. A remote-controlled aerial drone component equipped with sensors. An innovative autonomous terrestrial electric rover moving along the vineyards and equipped with multi-sensory instrumentation for proximal sensing and actuators. A ground control station for missions control and real-time location system. A sensors platform for real-time data and for ground monitoring of main microclimatic parameters. An IoT management platform and advanced data analytics and processing and visualization software.
The application of the results of the WINEGROVER project will help to reduce the use of pesticides, fertilizers, water, fuel consumption and CO2 emissions. Reduce ammonia and PM emissions and the risk of eutrophication. Reduction of the use of pesticides up to 85% and of the use of fungicide up to 30% when compared to conventional vineyard disease management. Reduction up to 2 kilograms of nitrogen fertilizers per hectare with a potential reduction up to 97% of nitrogen applied in vineyards and consequently NH3 emissions and risk of eutrophication. 100% reduction on the use of diesel fuel correlated to the distance traveled by tractors with an estimated 0.15 grams per year of particulate matter and VOCs reduction resulting from the use of the electric rover. Reduction of the water consumption up to 90%. Reduction of 25% kg CO2 equivalent per ton grape due to the reduction of agronomic practices and phytosanitary treatments.
Life WINEGROVER. A new possibility for precision viticulture in Europe.